Further going with our measurement of poverty. Now, how this is measured? When the expenditure is being decided that on what services it should be done. Then second comes with how the total income of the family is required by the members. So of family can be included 5 members also. Then further goes with absolute poverty. Now what is this absolute poverty? The people of the society who are not able to purchase the basic necessities of life like food grains, pulses, milk, vegetables, lowest market rate are said to be absolute poverty. Now, absolute poverty are not having sufficient income and they are not able to purchase basic necessities and food grains. So, they are absolute poor. Then, relative poor. Now, here, relative poor goes with when a society has different income groups. Yes, we all know every person, every family has different income, and so it varies all over all over the country. So like this, an example is being given that three different persons are having three different salaries. But now, when the A person is having a very less salary, so with respect to the B person, he is too less. But when the last two persons, B and C, it is compared, so the B is less. But among all the three, the person A is said to be poor. Then further goes with poverty in India. How we can just have a idea or what all the figures given in our text goes with. So it is mainly of the reading part. Uh, Figures are being mentioned according to the decades, how much amount of money is required by every family, then how much uh, percent of population was ratio of population was below poverty line, how the rate of poverty has been reduced from time to time approximately, and that is all being discussed. Then with related to our country, which are the very poorest state, then again with respect to eastern states, western states, all these percentages numbers are being mentioned in our text. So starting with this topic, we go with that the year or the decade, oh sorry, the year 2011 and 12. When planning commission this declared the expenditure regarding this. So it was decided for rural area as rupees 816. So for per family it goes with rupees 4080. For approximately when we calculate for 5 person, so it goes with 5000 and each persons have a expenditure of around about rupees 1000. Now when we talk about this, again the figures show us that a new figures that the poverty has been reduced from the last 9 to 10 years. So in our book it is being given that poor has reduced to 27 crore in 11-12 and rate of poverty reduced in 21.9% in ratio of total population. Then when it was compared to the year 2009 and 10, it was somewhat 29.8%. Then approximately 35.47 crore people were living in poverty. All the total numbers are being given over here. But again, when we see that equality prevails at international level, then after that, World Bank decided that the per capita income should be increased. So that was undertaken, and with respect to the US dollar in 2012 and the rate with respect to 2008, the scale of poverty was being reduced. Then, with respect to the report of World Bank, India's total population was approximately 121 crore in 2010. Then, out of that, 32.7% of people were living below BPL. So, in correct sense, it makes about 45.6 crore. So, just see the number that out of 121 crore, it was 45.6 crore people living below poverty line. Then, after that, the report of UNDP 2015. Again, the ratio of poverty in 11-12 was 21.92%. Then it goes with a correct figure in crores, that is 26.93 crores. Then 21.65 crore in rural areas, that goes with 25.7%, and only 5.28 crore people in urban area under poverty line. So students, here the decades are given, the percentages are given, and according to that percentage, the population is given in crores also of different years. Again, the rural area percent and urban area percent is also being mentioned. Then further goes with Chhattisgarh 36.93% poorest state of India. Now, among all the states, Chhattisgarh is said to be as the poorest. Then Goa is having the lowest poverty rate, only 5.09. And in Gujarat, it is about 16.63 percentage. Then some states are mentioned, eastern states, so they are Chhattisgarh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa. They have more than 30% proportion of poverty in India. After that,